Number 1. Moosoo Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. Compact refrigerator, 7.3 Cu.Ft dual door, fridge with freezer. 7 adjustable temperature, removable shelves, ultra quiet silencer, ideal food and drink storage, white. Low noise and silence, super quiet technology. This refrigerator is low noise design, lower than 40 decibels, provides a comfortable and quiet environment for sleeping, working, reading, etc. Quieter than other ordinary refrigerators in the market. The best choice for people who have limited noise requirements for living and working conditions. Efficient refrigeration and low energy consumption. Equipped with a powerful centrifugal machine and strong inverter compressor, Moosoo refrigerator has a high efficiency running system. Number 2. Frigidaire Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. 3.2 cubic feet 2-door fridge and freezer, Platinum Series, stainless steel. Top freezer refrigerator is more spacious than a mini fridge. 96 cubic feet freezer features ample storage, space can be used to store ice cream. The door storage offer a convenient place to store jugs of milk, cartons of juice, or bottles of soda. Humidity-controlled crisper drawers help keep fruits and vegetables fresh longer. LED lighting makes it easy to see fresh food. It puts a spotlight on food and casts a more natural light on the contents of your refrigerator, so food looks as it should. Number 3. Amana Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. 18.5 cubic feet. Stainless steel bottom freezer refrigerator. Energy Star. Amana Bottom Freezer Refrigerator with spill-saver glass shelves, 2 crisper drawers, Temp-Assure freshness controls, gallon door storage, and pull-out freezer drawer stainless steel. Number 4. Summit Appliance Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. 24 inches wide bottom freezer refrigerator, 12.5 cubic feet capacity, frost-free operation, digital temperature control, LED lighting, adjustable glass shelves, super cool function. Fingerprint-resistant finish offers the look of stainless steel without the constant cleanup. Energy Star certified for guaranteed savings. Full 12.5 Cu.Ft. capacity in a slim counter depth fit. Bottom freezer design allows easier access to the refrigerator. Fully frost-free in both compartments for low maintenance use. Number 5. Insignia Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. 9.2 cubic feet bottom freezer refrigerator, white. Store food efficiently in smaller spaces with this Insignia bottom mount refrigerator. The top compartment provides 6.4 cubic feet of easy-to-organize, fresh food capacity, with easy viewing thanks to the bright LED interior lighting. This Insignia bottom mount refrigerator has a 2.8 cubic feet frost-free freezer. That's perfect for storing frozen snacks and pre-made meals. Mechanical controls make operation simple. Generous storage includes shelves in the fridge to create plenty of space to organize frozen food. Organize contents with ease includes a half-width dairy compartment, a gallon door bins, 3 spill-proof shelves, and 2 adjustable half-width shelves to provide ample space for storing items.